Moscow began rolling out the country's homegrown coronavirus vaccine to doctors, teachers, and social workers on Saturday, as the virus in the world's fourth worst-hit country continues to spread at a record pace. Russian officials are planning to expand the vaccination campaign nationwide next week in what is expected to be a limited-scale rollout after manufacturers encountered challenges in ramping up production. Russia approved the shot named Sputnik V in August, despite criticism from Western scientists about the lack of large-scale clinical trial data at the time. In the United Kingdom, the first batch of the vaccine created by Pfizer and the German company BioNTech arrived in the UK last week. Doses are scheduled to be delivered to hospitals beginning Monday. Nursing home residents, healthcare workers, and people aged 80 and over will be first in line. UK's approval of Pfizer vaccine should give people hope, vaccine expert says. Across England, 50 hospitals have been chosen as hubs to administer the vaccine, the BBC reported. The government has initially ordered 40 million doses, which will vaccinate 20 million people. The National Health Service has said that more hubs will be set up as more doses arrive. The doses will be frozen at -70 degrees Celsius or -94 degrees Fahrenheit. Health officials are still working out how to efficiently split apart the boxes of vaccine vials once they arrive. Meanwhile, with high levels of vaccine skepticism worrying public health experts, the Times and Mail on Sunday newspapers reported that Queen Elizabeth, 94, and her husband Prince Philip, 99, would let it be known when they had received the shot. And in the USA, with the coronavirus pandemic surging and initial vaccine supplies limited, the United States has a tough decision to make. Should the country's immunization program focus in the early months on the elderly and people with serious medical conditions who are dying of the virus at the highest rates, or on essential workers, an expansive category encompassing Americans who have borne the greatest risk of infection? Healthcare workers and the frailest of the elderly, residents of long-term care facilities, will almost certainly get the first shots under guidelines that the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention issued on Thursday. But with vaccinations expected to start this month, the debate among federal and state health officials about who goes next and lobbying from outside groups to be included is growing more urgent. Coronavirus is continuing its spread across the world with more than 67 million confirmed cases in 191 countries and about 1.5 million deaths. Jovic Burmas, UNTV News and Rescue, we serve the people, we give glory to God.